Percussion. In today's lesson, we are going to do exercises number 18 and number 19. And we are in a little mini-series where we're dealing with time signatures that have the bottom number 8. Today, we're in 9/8 time and 12/8 time. Now remember that the bottom number 8 tells us the value of our notes. Whole notes, if we were to have some, but we really don't, if we did, a whole note would get 8 beats. Half note would get 4, quarter note would get 2, and an eighth note would get 1 beat, all by itself. The 9 on the top, or whatever the number is on top, just tells us how many beats we're counting to, or how many counts are in each measure. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all there is to it. Now, if we see a dotted quarter note or a dotted quarter rest, well, that would get 3 beats of sound or silence. Let's jump right in and do number 18 in 9/8 time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that brings us to the end of number 18. If you're having problems with counting yourself in 9/8 and 12/8 time, remember that you can always pause and set your metronome up in that time signature and do a little work on your own. Maybe a pencil, you can use a pencil to count and write in your counting, because often if you can write in that counting and you've figured it out and then you say it, you can play it then right afterwards. Because my saying is, if you can say it, you can play it. And that's definitely true. Let's move on to number 19, 12/8 time. Now our measure is just a large group of 12 eighth notes to be exact. I'm going to change my metronome to 12/8. I've got a lot of dots on my metronome. My tempo is still at 40, which is pretty slow. Any of these exercises in this series of the 8 time, 3/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 9/8, or 12/8, they can be all played much faster or much slower. It's really up to you. I've just tried to pick a nice moderate tempo where you'll have success and you'll want to continue learning and pressing on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that brings us to the end of number 19. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope that you've learned much about the bottom number becoming an 8. Until I see you again soon, keep practicing.